rainwater, so it will enter the body. So here we want to avoid condition in which there is the entry of the pesticide. So here this thing is done by using condition is we should give some people alternative to the farmer that they can use the biopesticide or the alternative chemicals, and this chemical should be biodegradable. This chemical should be biodegradable. So when we are using biodegradable chemicals, so here the thing is under the control. And in case of the suppose there is a use of the pesticide, so here the pesticide use should be in a limited amount, means it should be considered as a last resource. It should be considered as a last resource. Now next condition, paint. So when there is a use of the paint or a petroleum, and it is for the condition that is the sink. So here the condition is you are having control that is for toilets or the any structure. So here this structure should not be have any use of the paint. So when the now paint or the petroleum, so these products are xenobiotics. Xenobiotics means they are not created. They are not created by the nature. They are created by the human beings. And here nature do not have the system. When we are saying the system, so that is the enzyme. Nature do not have the enzyme, and this enzyme means there is a no breakdown. No breakdown. So here there is a chances of the accumulation. There is a chances of the accumulation, and here one condition, bioconcentration, biomagnification. So here same thing happen with respect to the pesticide, because paint or petroleum, so they are the lipid soluble, and the things which are lipid soluble, so here they are not excreted and they remains in the body for longer time, and it will cause the condition that biomagnification and bioconcentration. And here high level of the all thing that is pesticide or the petroleum or anything, so here it will cause teratogenic effect. Teratogenic means there is a deformation organ occurs in the progeny, and here this thing is not one desirable condition. So we want to avoid the condition. And suppose there is use of the paint, so there should be natural paint, and here this natural paint means they are biodegradable, so thing can be under the control. And most important thing with respect to the oil spill, so here when we are saying the oil spill, so here this oil spill occur in a mostly the plant. So here plant in which there is a means cracking of the crude oil. Now cracking of the crude oil is used for the getting the different types of the products. Suppose diesel, petrol, gasoline, gas, different types of the fuels. And here while doing this activity, suppose there is a container, and this container by means of some kind of collisions or some kind of human activity, so there is a leakage, and here this crude oil will be spilled over the surface. And here it is having less density, and here it will swamp, it is a moving on the surface. And when it is a moving on the surface, so here there is the encounter of the fish, or there is encounter of the aquatic plants or animal. And here oil is on their surface. So in case of the fish, so there is a blocking of the gills, so respiration problem will be condition. In case of the plant, so here when it will enter, so here the exchange of the gases, one condition. And here exchange of the nutrient. Now here it is the oil, so here there is a condition, hydrophobic. So here the component nutrient which are hydrophilic in nature, so they will not enter in that system. So here it will disturb the physiology of that individual. So in depending on the condition, so this thing will occur. now with respect to the in India, so we have started the Ganga action plan. Now here this is done for the cleaning. This is done for the cleaning, and it is started in 1986. So before the birth of all us. So here this plan in 86. So here its aim was to clean. Now here there is a activity which is done uh, that is such as bathing or the release of the some kind of material and laundry condition. So here this water that river water is contaminated, and here it is having more load. Now there is some kind of uh, religious activity such as Kumbh Mela, and here when such activity is occur, so there is a more gathering of the human beings, and here due to the human gathering, so here there is a load of the thing, and here then this thing means whether it is a pollutant or any kind of metal, so they are in an exponential condition. They are in an exponential condition. So one condition, and here there is an industry there, and this industry releasing the more amount of the untreated. They are releasing untreated water inside there, and here this thing again increase the concentration. So here uh, one more condition, there is a cremation of the dead body. Now mostly it occurs in a Varanasi, means near to the Ganga, and here this is for the one means religious thing that it will give the liberation, that is a moksha. So here such activity will again cause the more amount of the organic matter. So here we want to control this activity, and here this can be done only by the awareness. So we have to avoid such thing. Now here the most important thing today, so that is the parameter, and here these parameters are decided by the different. So suppose in future, suppose you are working in BIS, so here it will be data. Suppose you are working in the research industry, means government aided. So here mostly the ICMR based, that is the medical side. Suppose you are working in the international side, so at that time WHO. So different have different condition, but they are having limit. Means they are near above. Means there is not too much gap, but they are near above. So here first we will discuss alkalinity. Now here means how much amount of the acid or base is present in given water body. So suppose there is a presence 200 mg. So here it is said that this water is in a desirable limit, but again it is a more. So we should have the less than 200. Suppose there is a 600. So here it is considered more polluted. It is a, but again it is a range. It is a within the range. So here this is for the only BIS. So it is not applicable for here ICMR, and they have different conditions. Now here next point, that is a TDS. So when we are saying the TDS, so total dissolved solid. Now here the thing salts. So salts are soluble in the water body, and here it will cause the condition, that is the solution, and solution it will increase the, suppose more salt, more TDS. So here desirable limit is a 500 mg, 500 mg. Now here it is again BIS industry. It is according to the guidelines of the BIS. BIS means Bureau of Indian Standard. Bureau of Indian Standard. So, and suppose it is a it is more than 2000. So here it is admissible according to them, but when we are for the domestic purpose, so this thing is not there. So water which is we drinking or using, so here it should be near. It should be near to the 500. It should be near to the 500. And when it is having more than 2000, so here we are saying that this water is a hard water, and here this water is not good for the industrial purpose. It is it can be used in agriculture industry, but here again it will increase the soil concentration and land becomes infertile. Land becomes infertile after certain time. So here it can be used but in limited amount. Now here second, that is ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Indian Council of Medical Research. आवाज येतो का?
ब्रेक येत होता, ब्रेक होत होत मध्ये.
आता येतो का आवाज?
येस सर.
ओके ओके. So here in ICMR, so they have increased the limit. They have increased the limit. Now, according to WHO guidelines, so they have given 1000 mg. So and lastly, FAO, so here they do not have conditions, but they are depending on the condition. Now here, when we are seeing the limit, so here this serious limit, so when in optimum conditions, so it is a 500, and suppose desirable one, so it should be near to the 300, 350. So it should be near limit. After or below this, so this thing is a more. So it should be always less than 500 mg. That is the TDS. Next condition, hardness. Now with this hardness is measured the concentration of the sulfate. Concentration of the sulfate. And here this sulfate means calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. So they are causing hardness. Suppose water is having 300 mg concentration of the salt, so it is considered under the desirable limit. When it is having more than suppose it is a 600 mg, so here this thing is again same undesirable one. So here it is having limit, and here in ICMR or BISO it is having same limit, that is a 600. Next calcium. Now with respect to calcium, so only calcium elemental, so here it is a 75 mg. So when it is in excess amount, calcium is in excess amount. So in human being, suppose water body is having more amount of the calcium. Suppose person is consuming this water. So here the chances of the formation calcium oxide salt, calcium oxide salt, and this calcium oxide salt will form crystal in the mostly in a kidney structure, and here uh, kidney stone problem may be faces. So here same thing with respect to the TDS. Suppose it is having more than 500, so the chances of the condition kidney stone problem. So here, suppose it is having more than the amount 75 mg or 200 or near 100. So here the chances is more. So here the water which is drinking, so it should have the less amount of the calcium. Now magnesium. Now in case of the magnesium, the problem is not there, but the condition, the limit. Now it is having limit. It is given limit, that is 30 mg, and in case of the higher admission limit, that is 100. So there is some slight changes with respect to the ICMR. They are giving less condition. So here with respect to magnesium, it is a essential mineral. It is required for the plant, human beings also, but the concentration should be less. Now here we will have the chart, and here focus on the things which are important. So we have discussed TDS, hardness, calcium. Now most important, heavy metals. So in case of heavy metals, so here is the example, cadmium. So cadmium is used in the battery, rechargeable battery. Uh, Chromium, it is used in the metal industry, lead in the battery, mercury in the different types of the medical preparation. So here they are having very less. So concentration is less than 0.001. So means it is a 1 ppm. So 1 ppm is a limit, and here EMG, so 1001. Same for the arsenic. So it is not in the metal condition, it is a non-metal. So here uh, cadmium, chromium. So focus on the cadmium, focus on the lead, and focus on the mercury. So they are when in excess, so they are very dangerous. They are very dangerous, and here always keep in the concentration in mind 0.001. Suppose you are not getting the exact value, so 0.0 and in simple form 1 ppm part per million. Now here we are having the chart in previous charts. So we have the some metal. Now we are different condition, and it is a standard with respect to the India. So same thing, but there is additions of the thing. Color, order, taste, pH value, and here consider pH value. So 6.5. 6.5 is the uh, optimum level, and they will consider 8.5. Again 8.5 is not permissible. There is a color, and here the color is measured in a Hazen unit, and here they give the 10, but again that is more. 2 Hazen is a limit in most cases. So you can take a screenshot of it, and here the things which are important: chloride, iron, copper, calcium we have discussed, cadmium, mercury. So here it is the data. Again arsenic important, cadmium, chromium, nitrate. So here concentrate nitrate, and it is a 50 mg. Pesticide, no amount of pesticide is admissible. Fluoride 1.5. Remaining things are not important. And the concentration of nitrate, cyanide, fluoride, cadmium, it is here important. Now, when we are discussing for the measurement of water pollution, so here we have to consider following points. So, presence of the coliform, BOD, COD, temperature, turbidity, heavy metal concentration, nitrate, salinity, the different metals, TDS, conductance, the organic load, the presence of the gases, nutrients which are present in the given water body. So these things should be considered